The DeWalt Flexvolt 60V Max handheld blower has a powerful and efficient brushless motor that delivers gas performance to clear job site debris at up to 423 cubic feet per minute and 129 miles per hour. Add power for heavy debris with the flat concentrator nozzle, increasing airspeed up to 175 miles per hour. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20V max tools. With no gas fumes when in use, the handheld blower is ideal for not only outdoor use, but also for indoor job site applications. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.